Every April, we celebrate National Credit Union Youth Month. This is a great opportunity for us to reach out to our youthful members and encourage them to save their money, to spend their money wisely, and to share, give back, volunteer in their community. I got two of my favorite girls to help me create a piggy bank out of resources we had around the house. I hope you enjoy, I hope you get encouraged, and I hope you grab your family and your friends and go do the same. Find resources, maybe some trash sitting around the house, and make a piggy bank. Lastly, make sure you add us or tag us on social media so we can see how creative you can really get. Hope you enjoy watching my daughters create out of some recycles that we have sitting around the house. Thanks.
This is a milk bottle. You can drink out of it. This is an applesauce box, and this is a Cheez-It box, a goldfish box, and this is a milk top. What do we normally use with this stuff? Yeah, we usually throw it away. But today, we're going to create a piggy bank. These are two bottle caps, like milk bottle caps, and this is a milk jug. These are the bottom of Easter eggs. I used markers for this. I called them Mr. Silly. And we had brown fabric, so we hot glued it on here, and that's it. And we got this from a box. From an applesauce box. On it. And this is fabulous. We put it on there and we hot glued it on there. And a smiley face.
Now that you're all done with your piggy banks, what are you going to do with it?
Use it.